Today we will have a look at the flat earth clown that even can't go to a pub. Let's start.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris, from New York, Westchester County. It's 11/15/24.
So, now we know it's CC, Chris, from Westchester, New York.
Do you see this? That's clear blue skies up there. That's right. We haven't gotten any significant rain, and I'm talking about New York. Really since the end of August.
Now I'm a bit surprised. Will a flat earther talk about climate change?
And it's absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. It was pouring rain when I was out that night when this incident happened. Pouring. And then for the next 2 days after that, it was raining even harder. And then it just stopped. You know, the weather, we haven't gotten any rain at all. At all.
I think we got it. You haven't got any rain since the end of August at all.
Yeah, maybe a fucking quick storm here and there, but all in all, we've gotten no significant rain. We are in a drought.
Now I'm a bit confused. First you say you haven't got any rain at all, and now you have got rain.
Here in New York at this time, which is not unusual. But this drought is very unusual because there should be ice out there right now. I mean, you know, the temperature is about right. It's about 45, whatever, but there should be something. Something should be going on, and nothing is. And it's just absolutely incredible. I checked the 15-day forecast, nothing in that forecast at all. Nothing at all. Since they made the records for weather, I believe it was 1885, somewhere around there, New York State has broken the record. 2025.
2025? Are you a time traveler, CC?
I should investigate those numbers a little bit more.
Especially the year, CC.
A couple things. Today's a Friday. I like to give people something to think about over the weekend, just in case if I'm able to put a video out. This disturbs me, okay? And it always has. You know, I'm talking about the people that are fighting us, and when you go out and you talk about flat earth and you're at a bar. I mean, at this point, flat earthers, we just can't go out anymore. I mean, we can't take people seriously.
When people go out, for instance, to a pub, the first thing they are talking about is not the shape of the earth. I've been at pubs and bars in many countries many times, and I have never had someone starting a discussion about the shape of the world. So the problem is that flat earthers try to convince people that Earth is flat, and they even start this discussion on a pub. The problem is that you, CC, and other flat earthers are clowns, and nobody takes you serious.
You know, I mean, I'm sitting in front of somebody who thinks that he lives on a spinning wet ball. He thinks, or she thinks, that water somehow or another can form a ball into this mysterious dream world, Walt Disney World planet, you know, and be in space. And
so why start the discussion when you know that the majority of the people on this earth don't agree with you?
I mean, it just, I can't take people seriously, you know, I just can't. I'm sorry, I can't. All right, I just can't. So flat earthers, I don't know. Go out, enjoy yourselves. But what I'm saying is there's nothing you can do. It's always going to be a show for you.
Or if you don't want to look like the clown, don't discuss the shape of the earth.
In college, when I first I think it was my freshman year. I took sociology. And I remember one of his first tests was, and this was before I was a flat earther. I dreamed, all of this too, myself, unfortunately. The first thing that he told us to do was just go out to a bar, sit at a bar, don't say anything, don't drink, just sit there and observe. Okay, and that was the sociology class, and I mean, there was a lot of other things too involved with it. But I mean, I actually liked that professor because I continued a relationship with him throughout the my tender at school. But he had quite a sense of humor. But anyway, I wasn't a flat earther back then, so I couldn't really tell him what I believe. See, once you become a flat earther, that's it. You're done. Okay, there's no going back, ever.
First, why did he tell us about the college and the professor and visiting bars? I don't see the connection with anything. And if you're a flat earther, it's no way back or to return to the globe. But still, there are flat earthers leaving. Speak truth, ranty, ragey. I can make a long list.
Ever. You just can't. Anyway. I lost my train of fucking thought. Oh, okay. All right. So what disturbs me is the fact that we as a species have not even dug down more than 8.5 miles. Okay. These people that we speak to believe that we have layers of earth underneath us, and there's a core down there. You see, now that's funny because I've never seen that. I've never seen anybody even prove that to anybody at all. The only thing that I've seen is a hole in the ground, and the Russians, I believe, did it. It wasn't even us, saying that they can't go down any further. It's too hot, or whatever it was. And then there's one video that says there's demons or something like that. Yeah, well, if you dig a hole 8.5 miles, you're going to hear something, okay?
Why would you hear something from the hole? I don't understand that one. And CC is a typical flat earther. Since he haven't seen himself, can't be true. So I haven't been to US, so CC is fake.
I mean, the sound refracts up. It's going to sound weird, I'm sure. You ever throw, let me ask you a question. You ever throw a stone down one of those wells, those steel pipes that are coming up, and hear that pebble go all the way down? That sounds weird. Now, could you imagine that at 8.5 miles? Okay, God only knows. And a furnace that's underneath us. I'm assuming that's what's underneath us. But we don't know. We don't know, and we'll never know because we can't dig down that far. And it's a waste of time to even discuss it.
Yes, let's not discuss things that CC don't understand. For instance, everything that have to do with science.
Okay, but the fact is that when I'm sitting in front of somebody who's not a flat earther, and I just can't take him seriously, I can't anymore. I don't know what to do. I'm at, look, go out, enjoy yourself. I don't know what to do because we're going up to the silly season now at this point. And if most of you out there that are watching me have families, and they're healthy and you're going to go see them, just keep your mouth shut. Okay, that's it. That's all you can do. You're not going to explain to them exactly everything that you've learned over all of these years at a dinner.
That was a quite good advice, Cici. So you can avoid revealing yourself as a big clown.
Okay, you just can't. Because the minute you come up with it, they're going to ridicule you. And they're going to fight you. And they're going to tell you that you live on a ball. That everything is true. that we went to the moon, but they don't understand what the hell they're living on. They don't understand the radius of Earth. Okay? They don't understand the curvature. They don't understand anything. It's in their head. They can't get it out. Fuck. I don't know, man.
That's correct. CC don't know, and he can't show us a map of a flat Earth, a model of how it works, how the sun works. He can't show anything. Still, he believes in this nonsense.
I just don't know what to do with these, people. I mean, yeah, people are coming out, or I guess. Some people are believing that the Earth is flat, but I'm not seeing it as I thought I would see it after all of these years. They're still not doing any research, but they can't do any research because Google has suppressed everything. Okay?
So according to CC, the only way to do research is using Google. How about science, experiments, observations? Of course, it's too advanced for this clown.
I mean, they have. They've suppressed everything. You cannot go and look up flat Earth now. Doesn't that open up a door for anybody at all? Doesn't that somebody say that doesn't make any sense? Why would Google do anything like this? Why would Facebook do anything like this? Why would Twitter do anything like this? Free speech, that's gone. That's gone. It's all gone.
No, it's not all gone. And CC, if you want to convince somebody about the shape of the Earth, try to do some observations. Try to do something to show what you believe in. You're sitting in your car ranting about flat Earth. You never do anything to prove your statements. Everything that you haven't seen yourself, you don't believe. This was a video about a confused man in New York, disappointed that he can't discuss flat Earth on bars and pubs. Oh dear. This was a short video. I will be back soon. Hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.